Hello friends, welcome back to OK Java. Guys, we'll continue with the PSM Practice Test, Part 6. Guys, we'll talk about Agile and Scrum quiz in this video. Alright guys, question 1. Which of the following best describes Scrum? Scrum is a methodology for dealing with complex problems. Scrum is a framework for dealing with complex problems. Scrum is a process for dealing with complex problems. Scrum is a technique for dealing with complex problems. Scrum is a set of best practices for dealing with complex problems. All of the options above, none of the options above. Okay, guys, Scrum is a framework for dealing with complex problems. All right. The Scrum Guide version 2020 defines Scrum as follows. Scrum is a lightweight framework that helps people, teams, and organizations generate value through adaptive solutions for complex problems. All right. So Scrum is a framework. Question 2. Complete the following sentence. The Scrum team consists of option A, developers, a product owner, and a Scrum master. Option B, at least one product owner and a few developers. Option C, developers and stakeholders from the organization. Option D, all of the options above. Option E, none of the above. Guys, Scrum team consists of developers, a product owner, and a Scrum master. Alright. The Scrum Guide version 2020 explains the Scrum team consists of one Scrum master, one product owner, and developers. Alright guys, let's move. Question 3. Scrum can be used for software development, developing hardware products, marketing work, research work, construction projects, all of the options above, none of the above. Guys, the answer is all of the options above. Scrum can be used in any sectors, whether it's software development or hardware or marketing or research, whatever. Question number 4. Scrum is founded on trust, rationalism, the principle of basing actions on reason and knowledge, idealism, the pursuit of perfection and thinking outside of the box, empiricism, the empirical process control theory and lean thinking, scientific research, all of the above, none of the above. Guys, the answer is Scrum is founded on empiricism and lean thinking. Okay. The Scrum Guide version 2020 explains Scrum is founded on empiricism and lean thinking. Alright. Guys, next question. The Scrum framework consists of Scrum teams and their accountabilities, events, artifacts, rules, all of the above, none of the above. So guys, Scrum framework consists of all of the options. Next question. How does Scrum control risk? Option A, through a waterfall process. Option B, by dealing with riskier aspects of the work first. Option C, Scrum does not deal with risk. Option D, through an iterative and incremental approach. Scrum control risk through an iterative and incremental approach. The Scrum Guide version 2020 explains Scrum employs an iterative, incremental approach to optimize predictability and to control risk. Alright guys. Next question. The empirical process control is at the core of Scrum and contains 3 pillars. Which are these Scrum pillars? Option A, rules, roles, and events. Option B, transparency, examination, and adaptation. Option C, transparency, verification and adaptation. Option D, transparency, inspection and adaptation. So this is the right answer. Last one is clarity, verification and adaptation, right? So guys, the three pillars of Scrum are transparency, inspection and adaptation. Alright. The empirical Scrum pillars are transparency, inspection and adaptation. Okay. Guys, next question. Which of the following are the 5 Scrum values? Option A, commitment, courage, focus, openness and respect. Option B, empiricism, transparency, inspection, adaptation and trust. Option C, responsibility, courage, focus, iterations and respect. Option D, commitment, courage, focus and a positive mindset. Guys, the 5 Scrum values are commitment, courage, focus, openness and respect. Alright. Next question. Scrum does not accept changes late in the product development as the sprints need to be planned before the work begins. True or false? Now guys, you know the answer, right? So the answer is false. Scrum welcomes changing requirements and rework even late in development. Alright guys. Next question guys. What does agility refers to? Option A framework for developing products. Option B, the ability to quickly respond to emerging product requirements. Option C, a methodology for developing products. So what is agility? The ability to quickly respond to emerging product requirements. Alright guys. Alright guys. So here we are done with the quiz on Agile and Scrum. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe the channel.